Hi, hello. Tonight, join us with our KKB Bonfire Fellowship. Here we go. And, huwag na pure English, okay? It's Taglish na lang. Okay, tonight, makikita nyo po yung mga sinunog na kahoy.
Commercial.
Together with Ram, Gian. That is Gian, hello. And this is John. Hi.
Hi.
And of course, with our chairman Jeff, but he wasn't able to see him.
This is our fireman, fireman.
That is Jeff. That is his voice. And together with Jem and Faith.
32 anniversary in Jem. I'm so blessed. God, I pray that God will bless this ministry more and more. And I thank the Lord that I'm being part of the I'm being part of GIL anniversary of 32 years.
32nd years.
32nd years. Sorry for my grammar because I'm imported to South Africa where I starts planting, you know. There's an imported baluga there.
Okay, that's the fire.
This is
As
the fire.
it burns, and it's burning. And let it burn. It's burning. And this is Carl, the nephew of Ria. Say hi, Carl. Say hi.
Ang ganda ng apoy.
That's it.
Wildfire.
We're taking this video. What's date today?
Tapos na kayo
It's
tayo.
October 31. It's Sunday. This is our first bonfire fellowship. So hope you guys hope you enjoy this video. That's Gian. It's a commercial again. Okay. That's it. That's Pepe and Jem. Say hi, girls. And that's Jeff, our head. And this is Carl, the little boy, with Gian. And that is Ram. It's John. Say hi, John.
Hi.
Okay. Here we go now. So we want to upload this video, so hope you enjoy this, guys. Okay? Hope you enjoy watching this video. Actually, it's not walang kakwenta-kwenta, but yun lang. Wow. It's burning and burning. It's getting hotter. That is Jeff. That is our office and the kitchen. This is Ram. Commercial again. Hey.
Dapat